Welcome to MBBS Council. Maharashtra State Counselling Authority (SETCL) released the combined merit list for candidates who are applying for Maharashtra State NEET UG Counselling 2022. Before moving into this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counselling updates. Let's see the merit list. First column denotes state rank. Second column denotes All India rank. Third column denotes candidate's NEET roll number. Fourth column denotes set application form number. Fifth column denotes name of the candidate. Sixth column denotes candidate's gender. Seventh column denotes applied candidate's category rank. Eighth column denotes candidates who are claiming their status as NRI. Ninth column denotes candidates who are claiming special reservation in Maharashtra. You can predict your chance of possibility with these four factors. Get allotted for a particular medical college based on your NEET score. It will give you 50% accuracy. If you predict your chance of possibility with All India rank, it will give you 60% accuracy. Also, you can predict your chance of possibility with your state rank. It will give you 70% accuracy. Predicting your chance of possibility with your category rank, which will give you the higher accuracy of 80%. So figure out your category rank in this merit list to know your chance of possibility for this year allotment in your desired medical college. You can find the state quota cutoff here at the MBBSCouncil app. Link is given in the description below. SQ denotes state quota, NT1 denotes nomadic tribes category 1, and the last number denotes the counseling round. Candidate with the All India rank of 19,391 secured 599 score in NEET, and he got 1,349 as state rank, and the candidate belongs to NT1 category. His category rank is 10. He got allotted Grand Medical College Mumbai in first round last year Maharashtra State Counselling. If you belong to NT1 category and your category rank is below 10 this year, then you have a very good chance to get allotted Grand Medical College in round 1 counselling. Similarly, you can find management quota cutoff for Maharashtra State Private Colleges too. OPN denotes open quota, IQ denotes institutional quota, and the last number denotes counselling round. Other state candidates who want to take admission in Maharashtra State, they can try for this institutional quota. Maharashtra State Private Colleges provide 15% of MBBS seats to institutional quota. Institutional quota means combined seats of both management and NRI quota seats. Also, there is no separate reservation for NRI candidates, which means tuition fees will be same for both open state candidates and NRI candidates. Qualifying NEET exam will suffice, other than there is no eligibility criteria to claim these institutional quota. Anyone can apply for this seat if the tuition fees range is okay for you. MBBSCouncil app provides All India quota, state quota, management quota, open quota, NRI quota cutoff for more than 20 plus states, and college details that include important factors to choose the best medical college such as number of MBBS seats, PG courses, tuition fees, hostel fees, and other charges, etc. Want to learn more about Maharashtra State Counselling? Check out the e-book now. Link is given in the description below. We provide personalized counselling guidance for parents and students who are looking MBBS, MD, MS admission, especially in Maharashtra. To clarify all your counselling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counselling guidance, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBSCouncil app. Your assigned counsellor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, subscribe our channel to get the current counselling updates and give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.